my hair drinks this. It does condition my hair a lot and I enjoy it. Was out of stock everywhere basically the last time I kind of mentioned this. I think it does all of that basically. Very much like this conditioner, hence why I've used basically half of it, and I will be re-ing up very soon. That bitch is just broke right now. So shea butter, the vitamin E, and the grapeseed oil, I'm assuming. Probably if I look on this, those particular products are quite far. Oh, lies. The grapeseed oil was quite far up. Let me shut up. Hi guys, Kelsey Kurls here, and welcome back to my channel. If you read the title of this video, this is my favorite conditioners. Before I get started, follow me on my socials, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, and follow me on the Twitters if you would like to see what my favorite conditioners are and the reasons why. Keep watching and let's just get into the video. I have my favorite conditioners below me, so if I'm looking down, that's what I'm doing, I'm picking them up. Let's start with my Shea Moisture products. Just so you know, because the last time I did a Shea Moisture review or mentioned my favorite Shea Moisture products, I had a hard time pronouncing these products. So I'm just gonna say what the main conditioner, what the main ingredient is, and then what it is. That's it. I'm not gonna go through the whole epistle of name. Can't be asked to do that today. So I'm just gonna go off it. So my first Shea Moisture product happens to be the Raw Shea Butter Conditioner. This is for damaged transitioning hair, moisturize and fortify. It is sulfate free and color safe. I happen to really like this conditioner. I am no longer transitioning. My hair isn't particularly damaged, but I feel like it does nourish my hair a lot and my hair drinks this. It does condition my hair a lot and I enjoy it, and yeah, that's why it's one of my favorite conditioners. I would recommend it to people who want to try a Shea Moisture product. So Shea Moisture Mahuka Honey Conditioner. I mentioned this last time in my favorites of 2018, I believe. That video will be in the iCards and in the description bar below. I haven't used it since that video because it was out of stock everywhere basically the last time I kind of mentioned this, and it just recently was in stock, so I ended up spending £90 in my local hair shop on products that I needed. If you want to see that video, I'll do a review. I'll do a haul of the products I have purchased. Again, this conditioner is very nourishing and moisturizing for my hair, and it kind of just does what it says on the tin. It says the Mahuka honey acts as a humectant, bringing moisture to hair. The Mafura oil, natural damage control, softens and promotes healthy hair. And the fig extract has antioxidants. Vitamin C protects and keeps hair looking vibrant. I think it does all of that basically, and I like this conditioner a lot. I like this whole range a lot. I've mentioned a review. Probably won't end up doing it. I'll probably just mention it here and there through my collection of products reviews. Anyway, so yeah, the Mahuka honey conditioner, I love it. Cream of Nature argan oil conditioning treatment. This says, what does it say on the back? So what it does is it strengthens and prevents hair breakage. Yeah, I just recently re-upped on this because I hadn't used it in a long time. I actually wasn't meant to be using this anymore because it had some ingredients I particularly was trying to stay away from. I happened to buy it again, so kind of forgot about me not buying it. Anyway, I like this conditioner a lot. It's not that expensive. I got it for this big bottle for $4.50 during my £90 haul of hair products. Another Cream of Nature product, Cream of Nature Pure Honey Conditioner. As you can see, I've used a lot of this conditioner. I used it in other things, and so it's for dry, dehydrated hair. What does it say it does? It targets dry, dehydrated hair to provide essential moisture, softness, smoothness where your hair needs it without weighing it down. Yeah, I would agree with that. I'm more of a girl who likes thicker products. I like when my hair does actually feel weighed down. Most people don't like it. So this doesn't really weigh my hair down, and I don't particularly feel like it's doing its job because of that. So, but I do really very much like this conditioner, hence why I've used basically half of it. And I will be re-ing up very soon. a bitch is just broke right now. So, and the last one on my list, it is this bottle looks battered and bruised. I just reused the same bottle because I kind of water it down a little bit because it's a little bit too thick for my hair. It is the Palmer's Shea Formula Conditioner. I'm not reading, I told you, not reading the whole epistle. What does it say it does? Can I barely read this now because it's all mashed up and all. Okay, deeply moisturizes and repairs, helps protect hair from damage, and reduces breakage and strengthens. Those are from the shea butter, the vitamin E, and the grapeseed oil, I'm assuming. Probably if I look on this, those particular products are quite far. Oh, lies. The grapeseed oil was quite far up. Let me shut up. It's like 4th on the ingredients list. That's not that far up, you know. The shea butter is kind of down. It's kind of in the middle somewhere. It has argan oil in it because I know argan oil's real name. Caramel. Yeah, I like this conditioner a lot. I've bought a lot of these for curly, natural, and transitioning hair. I like it a lot. What else is there to say? That's why these products are my favorite. I'm not really gonna go into too much detail about them. I just happen to like them a lot. That's it. I think they work wonders on my hair. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Be part of the notification gang and follow me on my socials. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, and follow me on the Twitters. And like I always say, be unapologetically you. Be the best version of you can be. Hope you got something productive done today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!